Hello guys, welcome to Design Art Studio. Today we will create a banner design for the advertisement of bar. The design will be in Affinity Designer. So let's get started. I'm going to take a new document of A4 size, creating it. Selecting a rectangle tool, creating a rectangle here. I'll change the color. From the color wheel, if you know the exact color, you can have it from the wheel. Otherwise, if you have the code, exactly code, you can fill the code here. Okay, now I'm going to add border here in the design. So from my custom made frames and borders, I am going to select any border. Frames and borders. Okay, as it is a rectangle design, so I need a border in a rectangle shape also, so I'm going to use this border. There are so many options here. You can see, you can select appropriate one, and I'm going to change the color of border from the color wheel, or as I have shown you previously, if you know the code, you can change or fill the code. Okay, I'm going to change the color. I should try another color. Okay, color code. This is my color code. Basically, still not changing. Let's see. It's not changing. Oh, I'm not selecting the layer, that's why it's not working. So select the layer. Now I'm going to fill the code, exactly code C4A78 and press enter. It will change the color. That's perfectly fine. Now I'm going to drag some image which I have downloaded from vectorstock.com. It's PNG. So I'm going to use that image in my design. It's a bottle and a glass filled with rum, maybe whiskey also. So I'm using that image. By using this image, my design will be very quick and it will be ready to use. So I'm going to use this image, adjusting it. Now in this design, I'm going to add some text. Yes, obviously I'm going to add some text here. From my custom made assets, I'm selecting a text here. Guys, if you want to know more about custom made assets or custom made frames and borders, I have given the link in description, so please check. Now I'm selecting this text. Things which I don't want, I'll remove. Like 60% off, I don't want. Get up to, I don't want. So I'm going to remove that from the text. Remove it. Okay. In place of sale, I am going to use text rum. R-U-M, rum. I'm going to change the font. I'm using Mahogany. Okay, now increasing the size of the font a little bit, adjusting the text, adjusting it. I'm not removing that rectangle lines because I think they look perfectly fine with the text. So keep it. I've changed the color of rum and adjusting those lines as they are looking perfectly fine with the text. I'm going to add original. I have already available that text in my custom made assets, so I'm using that, adjusting it. I'm not going to change its color because I think this is the perfect color for my design, so I'm not going to change it. Now there is a rum, so there should be cheers also. So I'm going to change that text into cheers. Cheers. Oh, wow. These are the curves which I want on the head of the S, so I'm going to select it and drag it to the head, top of the S. Perfect. Okay, now another those curves, I want them on the top of the C. Oh, this is the spark look. Now the whole thing I want it on the top of rum, so that makes complete sense. Selecting those curves and cheers. Curve, 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 and cheers. Dragging it to the rum, just above the rum, and little bit resizing it. I'm going to change that cheers color, so selecting it, select the color picker tool, select the color, and that's it. This is what I want. This is perfect perfect design for the bar advertisement, or you can also use it on your social media if you want. Now resizing this design a little bit for the perfect fit and image. So guys, you can use image whatever you want for your design. So this is the quick, fast and the impressive design for your bar. Hope this design will be helpful. Please like this video and subscribe my channel, and considering joining my channel, or you can join me on Patreon. Thank you so much.